Good evening, sir. My name is Angelito Apoto Limbago Jr. from Lumbay, Pilar, Bohol.
And good evening, sir. My name is John T. Rodriguez from Kuya Ubay, Bohol.
Cebu BTS, Cebu BTS, Cebu BTS. This is M. Perry over.
Ship calling Cebu BTS. Ship calling Cebu BTS. Ship calling Cebu BTS. Please calling change to channel 210 over.
Cebu BTS, Cebu BTS. This is MB Perry over.
Cebu BTS. Please spell ship over.
Lima, India, Foxtrot, Eco, Romeo, Romeo, Yansky.
What is the crustainage over?
20,000 tons.
What is the destination?
Destination over destination going to Cebu.
Cebu BTS, please proceed for destination over and out.